初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I prefer this one.
I prefer this one.
我更喜欢这个。
I prefer this one.
I prefer this one.
I like simple things.
I like simple things.
我喜欢简单的东西。
I like simple things.
I like simple things.
I love cold drinks.
I love cold drinks.
我喜欢冷饮。
I love cold drinks.
I love cold drinks.
I prefer warm food.
I prefer warm food.
我更喜欢热食。
I prefer warm food.
I prefer warm food.
I like quiet places.
I like quiet places.
我喜欢安静的地方。
I like quiet places.
I like quiet places.
I enjoy soft music.
I enjoy soft music.
我喜欢轻柔的音乐。
I enjoy soft music.
I enjoy soft music.
I love spicy food.
I love spicy food.
我喜欢辣的食物。
I love spicy food.
I love spicy food.
I prefer light colors.
I prefer light colors.
我更喜欢浅色。
I prefer light colors.
I prefer light colors.
I like slow mornings.
I like slow mornings.
我喜欢悠闲的早晨。
I like slow mornings.
I like slow mornings.
I enjoy long walks.
I enjoy long walks.
我喜欢长距离散步。
I enjoy long walks.
I enjoy long walks.
I like small groups.
I like small groups.
我喜欢小团体。
I like small groups.
I like small groups.
I prefer short calls.
I prefer short calls.
我更喜欢简短的通话。
I prefer short calls.
I prefer short calls.
I love clean spaces.
I love clean spaces.
我喜欢干净的空间。
I love clean spaces.
I love clean spaces.
I enjoy fresh air.
I enjoy fresh air.
我喜欢新鲜空气。
I enjoy fresh air.
I enjoy fresh air.
I like bright rooms.
I like bright rooms.
我喜欢明亮的房间。
I like bright rooms.
I like bright rooms.
I prefer warm lights.
I prefer warm lights.
我更喜欢温暖的灯光。
I prefer warm lights.
I prefer warm lights.
I love morning coffee.
I love morning coffee.
我喜欢早晨的咖啡。
I love morning coffee.
I love morning coffee.
I enjoy sweet snacks.
I enjoy sweet snacks.
我喜欢甜点。
I enjoy sweet snacks.
I enjoy sweet snacks.
I prefer soft pillows.
I prefer soft pillows.
我更喜欢柔软的枕头。
I prefer soft pillows.
I prefer soft pillows.
I like simple outfits.
I like simple outfits.
我喜欢简单的服装。
I like simple outfits.
I like simple outfits.
I enjoy outdoor time.
I enjoy outdoor time.
我喜欢户外时光。
I enjoy outdoor time.
I enjoy outdoor time.
I prefer simple plans.
I prefer simple plans.
我更喜欢简单的计划。
I prefer simple plans.
I prefer simple plans.
I like calm people.
I like calm people.
我喜欢冷静的人。
I like calm people.
I like calm people.
I enjoy quiet nights.
I enjoy quiet nights.
我喜欢安静的夜晚。
I enjoy quiet nights.
I enjoy quiet nights.
I like warm blankets.
I like warm blankets.
我喜欢温暖的毯子。
I like warm blankets.
I like warm blankets.
I prefer early mornings.
I prefer early mornings.
我更喜欢清晨。
I prefer early mornings.
I prefer early mornings.
I love deep talks.
I love deep talks.
我喜欢深入的交谈。
I love deep talks.
I love deep talks.
I enjoy peaceful vibes.
I enjoy peaceful vibes.
我喜欢宁静的氛围。
I enjoy peaceful vibes.
I enjoy peaceful vibes.
I prefer soft sounds.
I prefer soft sounds.
我更喜欢柔和的声音。
I prefer soft sounds.
I prefer soft sounds.
I like gentle colors.
I like gentle colors.
我喜欢柔和的颜色。
I like gentle colors.
I like gentle colors.
I love clean smells.
I love clean smells.
我喜欢清新的气味。
I love clean smells.
I love clean smells.
I enjoy slow days.
I enjoy slow days.
我喜欢悠闲的日子。
I enjoy slow days.
I enjoy slow days.
I like honest people.
I like honest people.
我喜欢诚实的人。
I like honest people.
I like honest people.
I prefer clear answers.
I prefer clear answers.
我更喜欢明确的答案。
I prefer clear answers.
I prefer clear answers.
I love warm smiles.
I love warm smiles.
我喜欢温暖的微笑。
I love warm smiles.
I love warm smiles.
I enjoy soft sunlight.
I enjoy soft sunlight.
我喜欢柔和的阳光。
I enjoy soft sunlight.
I enjoy soft sunlight.
I like friendly faces.
I like friendly faces.
我喜欢友善的面孔。
I like friendly faces.
I like friendly faces.
I prefer easy tasks.
I prefer easy tasks.
我更喜欢简单的任务。
I prefer easy tasks.
I prefer easy tasks.
I enjoy chill moments.
I enjoy chill moments.
我喜欢放松的时刻。
I enjoy chill moments.
I enjoy chill moments.
I like it simple.
I like it simple.
我喜欢简单。
I like it simple.
I like it simple.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。